Hey guys, what is up? So I did my makeup on my Instagram. If anyone is interested in checking that out, my Instagram handle will be available in the comments after I get done with this live, and you guys can see what products I used. I quite enjoyed this. This is like a very easy on the go look. So I'm going live because I know I already posted this on my channel, but I'm posting it again on here live. I'm super pumped about it. If anyone at all is interested, I hope you guys would love to help me join, or help joining and being on our team. It's a wonderful team that we have, a lot of wonderful group that we are in. And yeah, so hey Regina, how are you? So I'm going to show you all what I got in this welcome kit. I already know what's in it, but I'm going to show you guys. You guys may have already seen it on my channel because I did post the link on here, but you guys are going to see it. Just so you all know, this mascara, quite worth it, honestly. Alright, so this is the welcome kit that we get. Has like a flap. So it comes with a little purple mini purse, mascara. This is our twisted mascara, so you get a choice between this mascara or the original OG Epic mascara. I picked the twisted because that's what I've been wanting to try, and I'm excited, and I'm so happy that I did, because literally, like, my lashes look so freaking long. Like, see that? It also, whoops, it also separates the lashes, which is also really nice. And let me, oh, here it is. So it's a twofer. So you twist with the silver, and it comes like this. And the spikes around it is super different, but I really enjoy this one. And then it comes with a little itty bitty one. And this will get like the hard to reach ones, your little lashes on the bottom, like that. Super good. Also, don't forget, you guys, if you guys sign up as an influencer, or you guys can just use it for your personal use, whatever you guys want to do, you can share it and start earning money. So if you have friends, family, anyone that would be interested in Younique, they use your website, you can automatically start earning commission. You get like, I think 20 to 40% of commission as like a white influencer and a yellow influencer. You don't get a lot of commission just because you don't have anyone underneath you. Alright, here is the Moodstruck Moodstruck Epic 4D mascara. This is actually a really good one. Before I left Younique, this was actually my favorite mascara. This has a huge wand. I think it's nice. It's pretty. It's very lightweight. You may think it's heavy, but it's really not. Like, it's super light. But this is a really good mascara as well. And I think this mascara, you can sign up, do the $35 one. You get this mascara and the tools to start your business. So you can at least still get some kind of product and be able to show off your mascara. Because our main thing, other than skincare, is our mascaras. Our mascaras are bomb.com. Alright, the next thing is the Younique Uology sheet masks. So you get 4 sheet masks right now. Oh, also this month's kit is actually a little bit different. You get a Luxe lip gloss, which are super nice. They're hydrating. They are non-sticky. I don't think they have the lip glosses that whenever I was with Younique before. I think they're gone. I haven't seen them. So the Luxe glosses are super nice. I can't think of like a dupe for that, for like cheaper. The only thing I can really think of is the ColourPop ones, but they're like a little bit, ColourPop is a little bit thicker consistency. Alright, the next thing is their liquid shadows. Liquid shadows through Younique is like so pretty. They actually just got some new shades. This one is called Reverent. It is like a metallic shimmer, and it actually blends out like really pretty. Their liquid shadows, they actually rolled out like 3 new ones not that long ago, and they were like fall colors, and oh my gosh, I want them so bad. But I'm actually getting the stick foundation. I really wanted to do my makeup with that, but I was like, I really want to do my makeup now. So I got my makeup done. It's also in the stories, and I'm going to download them and put them on my TikTok, and I'll also put them on here. Okay, you get 2 samples, and the 2 samples are their eye cream, and I'm excited to give these a try. I'm not going to try them just yet, but I'm excited to try them, mainly just because I have to. But they have like caffeine in them. Let's see. Caffeine, like a bunch of like really good stuff. Oh, there's fruit extract in these. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright. This is their eyeliner. Now their eyeliner actually reminds me of Urban Decay eyeliner. Best, hands down, eyeliner I've ever seen in my entire life. I got the shade called Perfect, and very creamy, very pigmented as well. So yeah, I'm excited. Cannot freaking wait. Hey babe. Their lip plumper. Oh yeah. I already have. It's okay, so Faced Lip Plumper hurt like so bad, but this one does not. Faced hurt like forever, and the lip plumper for here, you can use it for a lip gloss and you're fine. Like, you don't have to like take it off just because it won't get uncomfortable. It works, it does its job, but it literally will not, it won't, like, it does the stinging, but it doesn't do a whole lot of stinging that you're gonna have to take it off and it's uncomfortable. This is a really good lip plumper. And then, hands down, best exfoliator in my life. This is Uology Exfoliating Mask. This was my favorite mask. And very durable. It's good. It's very durable, apparently. It did not break. So, yeah. If anyone is interested in getting a mask, this is by far one of my favorites. We do have a hydrating mask. Yeah, I'm glad you think that's funny, Regina. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have a hydrating mask, an oil control mask, which is also really nice as well. A perfecting mask, which helps with the acne, which I I plan on getting that. I know, right? But it freaked me out. Oh my gosh. But yeah, like if anyone is interested in getting this, this is I'm glad you think that was great fun. Oh my god, that yeah, I bet it was. I bet it was. I bet. Yeah, I wasn't meant to show you guys that it's very durable, but apparently it is. Has a lot of product in here as well. Like you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell with the frosted part. I mean, there's a bunch in there. And if you guys are interested in our masks, I'd be happy to show you all. But that's all I got in my kit. I paid $99 for like pretty much all this makeup right here. And this is over $350 value of our products. Okay, so the exfoliator, last time I had it, it was not like a harsh exfoliator, but it was, here, the last time I had it, it was not hard at all. Okay, so it kind of feels like sand. And then the best part about it, after you exfoliate your, just exfoliate your dead skin, the grime, the dirt all over your skin that you have. So if you have like, you know, when you do your makeup and your foundation looks kind of crepey and you don't, like there's a lot going on there, that's the time to exfoliate. So if your foundation or any of your face products look very grimy, or not grimy, but textured, you're going to want to exfoliate. So yeah, you want to make sure that you do this. And exfoliating, maybe I do 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how much crap I put on my face. So this is the best thing to do, 2 to 3 times a week. Usually I exfoliate on Sundays, Wednesdays, and maybe Fridays. So that's 3 times for me. But yeah, this is a really good one. Like, this is my favorite, and I've tried looking for other exfoliators, but I could not find like the ones that like a good one that I enjoyed. A lot of the ones were a little harsh on my skin. They were or they just were non-existent. But this one always did its job. I think their masks are like $49, I think. I can definitely check for you, Regina, if you would be interested in wanting to check that out. Also, if you decide to, you can get this kit, our $99 kit. $99. $49. $49. Last time I checked, I think these were like $50. And you get 4. So, you get this kit for $99. You get $99 back. You get to choose some of the products. So you get to choose your mask. You get to choose your mascara between the original OG or the Twisted. You get to choose the lippy. I chose the plumper, so I got this one. And then you get to choose between eyeliner, eyebrow, and our liquid liners. So I chose our Precision Pencil Eyeliner and the shade Perfect. So you get to choose a lot of your products in your kit. It's not going to be a surprise. It gives you the whole description of what you're going to have. So if you guys are interested in getting this kit, it's $99. You get another $99 back into your profile, and you can use it towards your products. So you can get this kit for $99, buy a couple more items as well. Foundation, concealer, eyeliners, or if you need some skincare, you can put it towards your skincare. The whole collection for the skincare, for the cleanser, the serum, the day and night cream is $170, but that's if you do a subscription. And you can cancel it anytime. You guys can put it in for once a month, twice a month, 3 times a month, 4 month, every 4 months, or every 3 months, or every 2 months, and it will resend it to you. So let me know if you guys have any comments, or if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you, and I hope to see y'all soon. Bye guys.